All right. Now, if you've been seeing collagen peptides everywhere, you're not alone. Whether it's in coffee, smoothies, or even protein bars, you might be wondering, what is all the hype about? Well, today I'm breaking it all down for you. We're going to talk about collagen peptides and what they actually do, why they're so popular, and how to use them in your daily routine. And if you're not sure which type to buy, I'll give you some key tips on the choosing the right one. So let's get started. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies. It's basically the glue that holds everything together. It keeps our skin firm, supports our joints, it strengthens our hair, and strengthens our nails, and even plays a role in gut health, which a lot of people do not know about. The thing is, as we age, especially after 30, our natural collagen production starts to decline. And that's why we start noticing the fine wrinkles around our eyes, maybe some joint discomfort, weaker nails. But the good news is, collagen peptides can help support our body's collagen levels and keep everything running smoothly. Now, it's important to know that not all collagen is the same. There are actually many different types, but the ones we hear about the most are type 1, type 2, and type 3. Now, type 1, the most common, is found in our skin, our hair, our nails, and our bones. Type 2 is mostly in our cartilage, and type 3 supports our skin, blood vessels, and internal organs. And type 3 is often paired with type 1 in supplements. Now, most collagen supplements, including the popular powdered ones, contain type 1 and type 3 because they're the most beneficial for skin and overall health. But if you're looking specifically for joint support, you may want to look for a type 2 collagen supplement instead. All right, so how do we actually use collagen peptides? The most common way is to mix them into a beverage. So, the great thing about collagen peptides is that they're hydrolyzed, and this means that they dissolve easily and don't have a strong taste. I made a quick short showing myself putting the collagen peptides into my coffee and how easily they are dissolving. And that's one of the easiest ways is to put it into your coffee or your tea and it blends right in. You won't even notice it's there. You can also mix it into smoothies. And since collagen is a protein, it adds a little extra boost without changing the flavor. I also have a tropical collagen smoothie short that you can take a look at. That's delicious. And you can also add it to soups or oatmeal or even baked goods. You can get creative with it. So, I'm a dietitian and I get a lot of questions about collagen from my patients, but the number one question I get is, does heat destroy collagen? The answer is no. While extreme heat can break down some proteins, collagen peptides are already hydrolyzed, so they can withstand your hot coffee or hot soup just fine. Now, another question I get is, when is the best time to take collagen, in the morning or at night? And the answer is, it really doesn't matter. Some people, like myself, take it in the morning with their coffee or tea, and others take it at night as part of their routine. The key is you need to be consistent. Now, with so many collagen options out there, how do you choose the best one? Now, here's what you want to look for. You want to look for a hydrolyzed collagen or a collagen peptides. This means it's broken down for better absorption. You want to find a collagen supplement that does not have any added sugars or any fillers, especially for liquid collagen, because some brands like to sneak in those extra ingredients and you really do not need them. You want your collagen to be sourced from grass fed, pasture raised, or wild caught sources. And if quality matters to you, you need to check the label for this information. Now, whether you choose a powder or a liquid supplement, you just need to make sure it's a clean, high quality product that fits your lifestyle. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about collagen peptides. We covered what collagen is, why it's important, the different types of collagen, and the best ways to use it. If you want to dive deeper into the liquid versus powdered collagen debate, check out my blog post. I'll link it in the description below. And now I want to hear from you. Do you use collagen? Do you think it's helping you in any way? If so, in what ways? And what's your favorite way to use it? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.